Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today. Today's date is 11th of August 2024. The Morse code for today is nonce, N-O-N-C-E. The first thing you do is to click on this daily cipher here. Then click on the daily cipher tab, and when the interface changes to this color, you get the first letter, which is N. To get this N, you do one dash and one dot. For the dash, you long press for like 2 seconds. For the dot, you just do one tap. But for the dash is you hold down the distance screen for like 2 seconds. That's for the dash. So let's go ahead to get the N. The N is dash and dot, dash, dot. For the O is 3 dashes, dash, dash, dash. Then for the second N, you do dash, dot, dash, dot. For the C, you do dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. Then for the last letter, which is E, you do just one dot. That's it for today's video, guys. You've successfully cracked the code for today. Click on take the prize here. Ensure you claim today's daily cipher. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.